Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine, fit, and healthy. Welcome to our English session. Today, from English Treasure textbook, we are going to learn chapter number 2, a poem, that is Alexander the Great. This poem is written by Paul Ferrer. Okay? In this poem, we are going to know about Alexander the warrior. Okay. Do you know that the city of Alexandria was found by Alexander? Have you heard? The lighthouse of Alexandria was considered the one of the seven wonders of ancient world. Okay, there are seven wonders. Okay, one of in ancient world that time, that is the lighthouse of Alexandria. Okay, so in this chapter we are a poet going to say about a poem that Alexander the Great. Okay, so you can see Alexander. Okay, so let us know about him. Alexander the Great is regarded as one of the most powerful rulers in history. He is a ruler, he is the most powerful. Okay, and he was the king of Macedonia from 336 BCE to 323 BCE. So BCE means before common era. Okay, one of the year is notifying use the calendar world in most widely used that calendar era. In that time this is used. Okay, in that BCE during his region he conquered the Persian Empire, Babylon, and large tracts of Asia. He finally died of malaria at the age of 32. Let's learn a poem chanting Alexander life. So here Macedonia was an independent kingdom near Greece. Okay, it is a independence free kingdom. Okay, in Greece. Babylon was one of the major city ancient Mesopotamia. Today it ruins as found as Iran. Iran, the name at that time it was Babylon. And Aristotle. Okay, then let us learn the poem. The best ever military commander was a young king named Alexander from the Macedonia city state. He was known as the Alexander the Great. A brave man, he had a lot of battle. A wise man too, taught by Aristotle. He fought many battles and always won. His army never lost a single one. So, the best ever military commander, he was a commander of a huge military and was a young king. How much? He died in the age of 32, but he was the king, he was the military commander in the young age. Okay, so his name was Alexander from the Macedonian city state. Macedonia, I told you it is an independent kingdom near Greece. Okay, he was known as Alexander the Great. Okay, he was in that kingdom. He knew the Alexander the Great. He was a brave man. A brave man. He had a lot of battle. Means a lot of courage in it. It have lot of courage to fight. It had lot of courage to face anything. Okay. A wise man too. Wise man means बहुत cunning, बहुत smart, very smart. Okay. Taught by Aristotle. Aristotle was an ancient Greek philosopher. एक philosopher था Aristotle करके, वो बोलता वो wise भी बहुत था. He was smart. Who was Alexander? He was a military commander. Okay, and he ruled that kingdom also. And he has a brave courage as well as he has a brain sharp brain. He's a wise man. Okay. He fought many battles and always won. His army never lost a single one. Okay. He fight every battle which he faced, and his army never lost a single battle if he with his. okay, अगर वो उसके साथ रहता है अलेक्जेंडर के साथ तो वो आर्मी कभी भी हारता नहीं है. okay, like this you can see in the picture the war is going on by with Alexander. okay, next, Turkey, Syria and Egypt all fell. So did Babylon and Persian as well. But after 13 years of war, his men said they want to go home. That was the end of conquest and glory. And that's the end of Alexander's story. So here, Turkey, Syria and Egypt all fell. All he fight about. So did Babylon, means Babylon now it known as Iran. okay, so Babylon and Persian as well, these three countries as well as the Babylon and Persian as well he fight. okay, वो उस पे भी सारे तीन तो country वो he fight on, but two also Persian and Babylon. okay, then in the age of 13 years of war, he how much he fought? 13 years he continues, he was a warrior and he fought. Now his men, means his army, said now we want to go home. They have left home for the war. At that time they left home for the warrior, they only fight for that country and their kingdom always. okay, now they the army person said that we want to go home, and that was the end of conquest, means the act of conquering or winning something. The last battle he fight with the glory. okay, and that the end of Alexander's story. So at the 13 years of age he fight and fight, but after that his warrior told that we want to go home, and that is the end of his victory and end of his winning power. okay, and this is the story of Alexander. okay, and he died at the age of 32 due to a disease that is called malaria. okay, so you can see Alexander the Great. Students, I hope you like this poem and read the poem once. okay, thank you everyone.